In this episode of Shawn and Jillian Build Stuff, we're building Luffy. Out of not Lego, not Duplo, but some Japanese building toy that I can't remember the name of. Is that his leg? How does it go on? We gotta refer to the instructions. We're building the Luffy with the flag.
He's really short.
You've gotta build his stomach.
I want him to watch his body being built. Is this guy Lego or Duplo?
He's actually not Lego or Duplo.
What is he?
What is he? That's a very good question. He was bought in Japan. I don't remember. I'll have to find the box. So I actually discovered that this was bought for me as a gift from my sister-in-law when she had a stopover in Taiwan.
His head is flying away from his body. He's gonna watch his body being built. Does that look right?
Yeah, that looks right.
Right.
Can you look through here for a 2x2 beige?
Sure. 2x2 beige.
Don't get your Cheerios and your Legos mixed up.
No.
Do you know why? Do you understand why it's called a 2x2? How many dots does it have along one edge?
4. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2.
How many dots does it have along the other edge?
2.
That's what makes it a 2x2.
And it looks like a diamond now. Square. Diamond. Square. Diamond.
How big my finger is compared to this 1x1. Very small pieces. Now, Jillian, I gotta ask, when did you finish Luffy?
I forgot.
You forget. Who did you work on Luffy with?
Mama.
What about Shawn and Jillian build?
Mama and Jillian.
Oh.
I mean,
Are these-
Shawn, Jillian, and Mama Bill.
Oh, okay. What's this? Is this the extra pieces?
Yeah. And I built a farm. And there's a little cow in here.
All right. Well, this was a very short episode of Shawn and Jillian build. What do we say at the end?
Shawn and Jillian and Mama build stuff.
Like and subscribe. There's Luffy with his flag. Let's put Luffy in the light. He's got a big head. Oh. His flag fell off. Here.
So big that he fell over.
Oh my gosh, Luffy. I have to help you. Oh.
I'll hold him still. I'm holding him still.
Oh my gosh, I'm just making it worse.
Oh no!
I can't do this with one hand. No, Luffy!
I don't know where his other leg went.
His leg fell off?
Stop.
What? Oh no, wait, don't pop the cat out. Okay, pop the cat up. Oh, Luffy. Look at that cat. What?